Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 25H2 upgrade not showing in settings. Start by opening settings on your Windows 11 PC. Go to Windows Update. Here, look for an option that says get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Turn this option on. This setting allows your system to receive new feature updates earlier, including version 25H2. After enabling it, click Check for Updates and wait a few seconds to see if the upgrade appears. If the update is still not showing, the next step is to use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Open your browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Download the Installation Assistant tool. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the on-screen instructions. This tool will scan your system and directly start the upgrade process if your device is compatible. This is one of the fastest ways to force the 25H2 update. If you still face the issue, run the built-in troubleshooter. Go back to Settings, then open System, and click on Troubleshoot. After that, go to Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list and click Run next to it. Let the tool scan your system and fix any problems automatically. After completing these steps, the upgrade should install without issues. Thanks for watching.